I'm trying this on this little iPhone 7, and yeah, not exactly my normal way of doing this, so we'll see how this turns out. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines, and today is 4/28/24, Sunday morning here in Panhandle, Texas. I did get a little bit of a walk, but it was only about a mile. I ain't real energetic after last week. Being sick is no fun. Food poisoning, or whatever you want to call that. I'm going to be skittish from chicken for a while. Well, skittish of chicken that has been in the discount meat section for a while. Yeah, not a good thing to have happen. Anyway, I did get a little walk in, and I managed to get my valve on my water filter fixed. It's in there. It's been through about a dozen fills and drains, and it's sitting there pumping away. And at present, it's sitting in the sink because, quite honestly, I'm really not feeling very trusting of my valve on my water filter. And I don't know about you, but I didn't enjoy coming home yesterday morning to wet floors again. So it's sitting in the sink. It's got a towel wrapped around it, holding it all tight. And if the thing does pop out, well, it's in the sink, and hopefully it'll all go down the sink. We'll see. So, yeah. But I did manage to... I came home and then went right back to work after picking up a couple of things. And I got to sell a couple of the 5-gallon, or what do you call them, 20-pound propane tanks. I sold 2 of them to the girl at work, my friend. So she got a pretty good deal on that. For the price of 1 tank filled, she got a 1 tank filled and a second tank that's empty. So she's got, she's got enough, out of that. And actually, it was for less than what 1 tank would cost. $35 for 2 tanks, 1 of them full. So, not much, but hey, she's friend, dear friend, and, well, this gives them something to work with and gets it out of my house. And I got some money to put in the bank. Woohoo! Philippines Fund. Growing. So, yeah. And, yeah, I got a whole bunch of things took care of with my funds from the sale of my property last week. And yeah, I've got the one loan taken care of. I got parts paid on 2 different credit cards, and I put $100 on my student loan. So I actually got a lot done with it, which was good. I keep trying to get as much as I can done with what I get. And, well, I'm not going to say I'm rushing through this like a speed demon, but I'm trudging along getting things done. So, yeah, this is a positive thing. But today has been, well, last night was fairly busy at my job. Had a guest that stayed up and talked half the night, so that was good, actually. I actually like this guy. And, yeah, got to take a talk with him. walked around the building a couple times. Had somebody that showed up out in the parking lot, and I saw movement and went and tried to find them, but they got out of the parking lot before I did that, or they were real good at hiding. So yeah, trying to keep the parking lot safe. And this is coming out today because, well, I had a guest in the lobby almost half the night, 3/4 of the night, so it didn't have as much time to take in trying to do this daily vlog, so didn't get done till now. And it is coming up on, well, it's 11:30 area, heading toward 12 noon, so I'm tired. But yeah, I got about a mile walked. I got the propane tanks out today. I got the water tank, the valve and the fitting off of it, and got it replaced and tightened up, and it's in the sink working. I'm probably going to try to leave it in the sink working for, I don't know, 6 months till I trust it. Okay, maybe a week. We'll see. I don't know about you, but I'm tired of water on my floor. I'm just saying. Anyway, what else was there? Oh gosh. There was I didn't get to go to the Ham Club's little garage sale for the Ham Club. I was getting water up off the floor, so yeah. And I'm going to call it a day early today. I'm going to try to go to bed by noon, 12:30. And yeah, make this a short day, and hopefully I actually sleep for a good bit. I don't know about you, but I'm not feeling too hot after last weekend being sick, and yeah, I'm not back up to 100% at all. I'm at least in functioning area. But yeah, I got to catch a couple of things on video, and the different things. One of them that I like watching is a place called Suspicious Observer, with the observer being spelt with a 0 instead of an O. Has to do with the sun and the solar effects. Being ham radio operator, solar, sunspots create a lot of static and ionization in the atmosphere and such, so we end up with better propagation for the radios. So I kind of pay attention to what the sun's doing. And, this also keeps me informed in case there's a solar flare and I decide I want to go extra cautious and completely unplug all my radios and such, because, well, that stuff's not cheap, and I don't want to have to, get it repaired at my expense. Well, my ICOM actually is still under warranty, so I'd be lucky there. But the other ICOM, the 7300 is under warranty. The 735 isn't. So I don't want to have either of them get messed up. I kind of like them. So I can pay attention to in case there is some stuff that might cause effects through the wires and such. Yeah, it's one of those things. And I need to find my charger for my the rechargeable batteries for the oh gosh, 1850 or something like that. 18650. I've got a charger here that I can plug them in and charge them. I just don't know where it's at. I know it's somewhere in this room. It's just a question of where it's at. And I need to charge up a couple of batteries because, oh, they've gone down. But that's okay. I can get it plugged up and charge them up. It's just a matter of finding them. And those are the ones I use on several of my different mice. You know, they're good for that. And I can use my end loops on them. But, yeah. They work just as good. And I ain't bashful about it. I like using them. It's another rechargeable battery that I can put to use. I believe in rechargeable batteries. I highly recommend the N-Loop. You know, I don't know if you have ever tried them, but I recommend them. No, backwards, sorry. Anyway, read backwards on that N-Loop. Good batteries. I highly recommend them to any and everybody. And they've got everything from, you know, little AAAs, AAs, D's, C's, and I don't know what all else. I think they even have 9-volt. But, yeah. I got a different brand of 9-volt. But it's like a subsidiary or something like that of them, I think. But, yeah. Very good batteries. And, well, my batteries are dead. So I'm going to go crawl into bed and snore. So, anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And may you have a blessed day. Later blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish. And, well, Fish is out.